What's up, guys? We're at the spot. It is literally right beside the road, but it's a nice little creek looking environment, so we're gonna try and get some fish. There's chain pickerel, crappie, sunfish, bass, all kinds of stuff in here, so hopefully they're still here, and let's get to it. I'm gonna throw a spinner bait, something a little more flash, something moving.
Man, it would have been a waste to stay indoors today.
See? Aren't you glad I drug you out?
Yeah.
Although I gotta admit, seeing the condition of this makes me wish we had gone to the BSC. I think if the water had had a little bit more clarity. There are on the golf course. I don't know how they'd feel about that, but the only golf course pond I've ever fished was because I knew the owner. You guys saw that too, right? I don't know if you heard it or if you saw what I just saw.
What's up?
That creek mouth right over there.
Oh, yeah. What's it?
Something went ape there.
Oh, like trying to follow it and shit?
I don't know. No, can't cast that far. But
Something. Got that little black dot floating in the water, right here.
Creek mouth. See with a bank.
Creek mouth. I thought you said mouse, and I was
no. There's a creek mouth right there.
Yeah.
Something just went berserk.
Really?
Right over there. Yeah. So I don't know.
You see what it was, or just?
No, I walked over there trying to see if it was like a bird or something, but I don't think it was a bird.
Snakehead?
Could have been.
Catfish?
Very well could have been. So I'm thinking we don't need to waste our time here.
Yeah.
We need to find creeks like that. I mean, we can
keep walking or whatever.
Well, or it would be a stitch. So just walk back, get up, cross the bridge, and come back down and hit that spot.
We could
or
do that,
because there's a creek right there.
Yeah.
And we can go try and hit these little branches.
You want to do that?
Sure. That's the first indication of fish I've seen. And it's doesn't look like it's gonna be out here. Which, if I'm being totally honest, I didn't figure it would be.
Well, let's be honest, you don't think.
That's also true. Ooh. Well, given the quality of our bait, I'm gonna take that with a grain of salt.
Yeah, I was right here the whole time. I didn't see anything.
Well, but I mean, hell, that could have been a bunch of little stuff coming up and just pecking at it. Yeah. Oh.
It's steep, so it's just a deeper hole.
Oh, yeah. Well, I figured it would be. That's actually good. I'm gonna. So I'm like, I'll let you get down first, and then I'll follow suit right behind you. See, I mean, like, look at this. like all these rocks and stuff in here. Tell me there isn't crayfish living in here. Yeah. I mean, like right up against the bank too. Well, and you know, One Rod used to fish in the Patuxent a lot, which is actually where I got turned on to the fact that it was a good smallmouth fishery. All right.
That's a day one rate right there.
Do what?
That's a day one rate right there.
What's that?
A day one rate. Day one rate.
Okay.
Like peep summer?
Oh. Well, how to get a lure unsnagged from a tree. You know, I would have said that I'd have taken you to my Tapsco spot, but then we'd have really been wading in the water. You know, the water temp here is like just above 40. Did you not see me almost die? Did you not see me almost die? Yes. I slipped. Well, it wasn't like I planned on it. Well, despite our best efforts, we got absolutely skunked. So, if any of you guys fish this spot right under the Route 3 bridge, feel free to drop in the comments and give some suggestions on what lures or baits you used and what all you caught on them. I would definitely do this again, but I think we're going to wait until the water warms up a little bit. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Fair winds, following seas, tight lines. Love you guys. Bye.